it just landed on me. Sneeze the alphabet one by one. Learning letters can be fun. From A to Z, it's easy, you'll see. Just sneeze along with me. A-choo, there goes E, spinning like a top. A-choo, F won't stop. A-choo, G is bouncing high. A-choo, H tickle my eye. A-choo, I is dancing slow. A-choo, choo-choo, J says hello. A-choo, choo-choo, K is upside down. A-choo, L is rolling around. Sneeze the alphabet one by one. Learning letters can be fun. From A to Z, it's easy, you'll see. Just sneeze along with me. A-choo, M is making a face. A-choo, and choo runs a race. A-choo, rolls across the floor. A-choo, P knocks on the door. A-choo, Q is quick and small. A-choo, R is bouncing off the wall. A-choo, slide side to side. Takes a ride. Takes a ride. A-choo, Q is upside down. A-choo, Q spins around. A-choo, both waves hello. A-choo, X makes an X below. A-choo, he jumps high with glee. A-choo, is the last to go, you see. Now the alphabet we all know, Matt. Thanks to sneezes A to Z in a row.